Have you ever wondered what happens when you mix two common materials like sugar and cement? Although it may seem unlikely, this combination can produce a surprisingly useful result in everyday life. In this video, you will discover a simple and effective formula that many people have overlooked over the years. Don't miss the final part where we explain how this mixture can be used to make strong and durable repairs using easily available materials. Let's start the process step by step. First, choose a container. In the example we show here, we used a glass jar, but any jar or bucket will work as long as it is sturdy and clean. Now, let's add the first ingredient. 3 heaping tablespoons of regular sugar. The type you use daily in coffee or homemade recipes will be enough. It does not need to be refined sugar, brown sugar, or any special type. Place the spoons in the container and then add about 500 milliliters of room temperature water. Please share your thoughts and let us know in the comments where you are watching from, your city or your country. It's always great to see how this content reaches people who are part of this community. Of course, this also helps me produce content that is more aligned with you no matter where you are in the world. While stirring, watch the sugar granules slowly dissolve to form a sweet liquid solution. This step is important to ensure the sugar is fully mixed before moving to the next step. Now, we move to the main part of the process, adding the cement. Once the sugar solution is ready, start adding the cement slowly while stirring continuously. Precision measurement is not necessary, but use an amount proportional to the water to ensure a homogeneous and well-integrated mixture. Add spoonful by spoonful and stir until the mixture thickens and gains body and texture. It should have a creamy appearance without lumps or excess liquid. A useful tip to make stirring easier and more uniform is to use a homemade mixing tool. You can make a simple whisk with a wooden stick and 3 nylon cable ties. Attach the cable ties to the end of the stick so that it acts like a propeller, making the mixing more efficient.
This improvised device significantly improves the blending of the materials, preventing lumps and speeding up the homogenization process. It is also practical and economical for other homemade mixtures and similar projects. Next, attach the stick to a drill and secure it in the container. When you start the drill, the blade will spin rapidly, mixing the materials much more efficiently, creating a homogeneous, well-integrated paste with no bubbles or buildup on the edges. If you don't have a drill or don't want to improvise, that's fine. Mixing can also be done by hand with a spoon or spatula. The key is to ensure all materials are well mixed without cement lumps or undissolved sugar crystals. After mixing, cover the container and let it rest at room temperature for about 30 hours. Avoid exposure to sunlight or extreme cold, as this could affect the reaction and negatively impact the final result. While the mixture sets and reaches its ideal consistency, we will show another extremely useful idea that can be made with simple materials. Use a sturdy, non-thin plastic container for the solvent. Pour enough solvent to cover the bottom. Now, start adding styrofoam pieces to the solvent. You will notice the material dissolving quickly, turning into a sticky paste resembling thick glue. This process happens almost instantly within a few seconds. The resulting texture is suitable for application on various surfaces, such as concrete, wood, or ceramic, and serves as a versatile and durable sealant. However, be careful. Its strong odor and direct contact can cause irritation, so wear a mask and gloves. To strengthen this mixture, gradually add cement and stir thoroughly until fully integrated with the dissolved styrofoam paste. The main goal is to create a dense,
firm, and non-runny paste. The aim is to achieve a soft texture similar to modeling clay, which can be easily applied with a spatula or bare hands. This balanced consistency is crucial for good adhesion and long-lasting results. Let's demonstrate a practical application. Consider this crack in a concrete floor. It started small but widened over time. If untreated, it could cause leaks and compromise the structure. After thoroughly cleaning the damaged area and removing dust and loose debris, apply the compound made from dissolved styrofoam, cement, and solvent directly into the crack. Use a metal spatula to spread the compound evenly along the entire length, ensuring complete adhesion to the surface.
This homemade adhesive can be applied with a spatula, brush, or your hands and adheres easily to surfaces like concrete, ceramic, fiber, cement, clay, and even metal tiles. It is ideal for impromptu sealing in situations like roof leaks, cracks, and water tanks, or where you cannot wait for a more time-consuming technician. It is an economical, practical, and functional solution, especially useful for emergencies at home. If you haven't subscribed yet, take this opportunity to join our community. Sign up now and get notified about all news, tips, and special content we have prepared for you. This way, you won't miss new videos and help us grow while providing you with even higher quality information. Don't waste time! Click the subscribe button and join us on this journey. Interestingly, unlike many commercial products, this mixture does not have a strong odor, is non-toxic, and can be stored easily. To maintain its effectiveness, store it in a closed container away from moisture. After application, it is recommended to let it dry for 6 to 8 hours. After this period, it reaches maximum hardness and is ready for use. Once fully dried, see the final result: a strong and tight layer perfectly adhering to the original material. It can be sanded, painted, screwed, or left as it is. It is an excellent alternative for those seeking a practical and economical solution using commonly available materials at home. This technique is particularly useful for those who like to do repairs themselves, save on simple services, or even work on construction and renovation projects. If you enjoyed this content, please share it with your friends and family. Many people face leaks, cracks, or minor damages at home and do not realize they can be fixed simply and affordably. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.